Lily, did you stand up? Are you so happy that you stood up? Yeah? What did you do? Yay, Lily! Uh-oh. Yay! Yay! You're shaking the whole crib. You're shaking the whole thing. You can almost reach it.